This video, I'll show you how to crochet a hat brim beanie band to use to start any beanie design, messy bun hat or headband that you want to wear, give as a gift, or sell in your crochet business. Starting with a slip knot, the only stitches you need to know is how to chain and single crochet in the back loop only. If you don't know how to do these stitches, feel free to watch this video in the top right hand corner. The chain will be the height of your brim, so you can make this as long or as short as you like. I'll be chaining 7 in this example. 6 and 7. Now you'll insert your hook 1 loop from the hook so that it's the 6th chain, and pick up 1 loop and single crochet. Now continue in each stitch across until you have 6 single crochets across. And this is our 6th stitch. So once we do our 6th stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. For the second row, insert your hook in the first single crochet, back loop only, and complete the single crochet. Continue single crocheting in the back loop only across the previous row of single crochets, and I'll meet you on the other end. Just like the end of the previous row, we're going to chain 1 and then turn our work. And now we're going to repeat single crocheting in the back loop only of each previous row. At this point, you simply continue single crocheting, back loop only, chaining 1 and turning your work until your band is the desired length that fits around the circumference of the head that you want to make the band or brim for. Most heads fall between the size of 21 to 24 inches circumference, so normally I will make the band about at least 22 inches depending on how much stretch the yarn provides. Okay, so we're about at the end of our 22 inches, and now we're going to join the 2 ends of our band together. I crocheted an even number of 56 rows. End your last row on a single crochet, so don't chain 1 on your last row. Now I'm right-handed, so I put the working yarn loop on my left side. Make sure your band isn't twisted, and when you start joining, insert your hook in the starting stitch and grab the working loop and pull it through the first stitch. Then chain 1 to bind the 2 sides together. Then insert your hook in the next loop on the right side and slip stitch into the back loop only of the single crochet on the left side. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now continue into the next loop up, insert your hook in the next stitch, slip stitch into the back loop only of the left side crochet, yarn over and pull through all loops, and you'll continue until you complete all 6 stitches in the band. And now we'll complete our last slip stitch of the band, and we have a fully completed band that is joined together. At this point, you may want to single crochet along the top edge using whatever stitch suits the stitch pattern of your beanie or headband. You can now start creating a beanie, hat, or headband from the bottom up. Your potential is limitless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see more tutorials and patterns just like this. Thanks, and have a healthy, safe, and happy handmaking life. Bye, friends!